Hey everybody, I'm Chef Brandon Frohne and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I'm here to help you master some simple everyday grilling recipes. All you're gonna need is 30 minutes and some simple tools and ingredients from Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and Walmart. Today we're using the Gravity Series griddle and some boneless chicken thighs from Walmart to make Asian BBQ Chicken Flatbreads. I've loaded in my Kingsford charcoal with mesquite. I'm setting the temperature to 450 and the grill will be ready in just about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna knock out an Asian barbecue sauce by mixing some things together in the food processor. Now we're gonna warm up the sauce to bring all those amazing flavors together. We're just gonna add it to the grill for 10 minutes. And now it's time to season our chicken thighs with salt, pepper, and a little oil. We're gonna griddle these for 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until the internal temperature is 165. All right, y'all, pro tip. Don't make shredding chicken any harder than it has to be. Just hold the chicken thighs with some tongs and then start scraping the chicken with a fork until it starts pulling apart. So now we're ready to build our flatbreads. We're gonna add our Asian barbecue sauce to the flatbread with some mozzarella cheese and our shredded chicken thighs and take it over to the grill. So now we're gonna take these to the grill and let them cook for 5 minutes until the cheese is melted and the bread is toasted. And there it is, it's that easy. You know, the great thing about this recipe is you can get the whole family involved. Get creative and put your own spin on it. Let's give it a taste. Any pizza or flatbread tastes better with real wood flavor. Find this recipe and other simple 30-minute meals that you can master at home right here. Shop Walmart for your Gravity Series griddle and Kingsford charcoal. I'll see y'all next time.